So first is, you can see that this is a Pony Energy, the manual itself, and it has a cushion. Very thick cushion. Oh, great! Because the battery has a handle. Okay. So this is a 12. Let's keep it up. So this is a 12 volts, 314 ampere hours deep cycle. This is a LiFePO4 battery, and this is quite heavy. And also there's a battery indicator, and it's currently 13.2 volts, and it only shows the voltage. And for the terminal, yeah, it's using an M8 terminal, so I might need to check this. Okay, so great. So this is 13, and it has a cover. So unlike any other battery, this has also a serial number, a warranty sticker, well built with a screw. So this is for my 2 kilowatt setup. That is a hybrid solar setup. So hopefully this can be used in the. So I'm just going to install the panel. So let's test. So what we have here, test natin DC voltage. Even if meron siyang indicator, this has a LCD indicator, the voltage. So it's showing 13.2 volts. So I'm gonna test this, and it's the same, 13.2 volts for the terminal. Okay, good. Yeah, you just need to read the manual. Good thing it has cover, because yeah, to prevent short circuit. Yeah. And it already has a built-in BMS and a Bluetooth. So for the user manual, you can scan this for the manual. There's a QR, and good thing it has a handle. Good. That's the battery itself. Hopefully to install my setup right after.